Try It Tuesday video. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video.
Yes.
Today we are trying new. I'm doing some crazy things at the moment. I don't know what's going on with my guns last time, my hair flicks this time. I don't know. I like it. Unique, right?
Yeah.
Today we are trying Pringles roasted red pepper and garlic flavor, which are especially made to taste great with Coca-Cola. So we got the cola.
Yes. Prepared.
And we got the Pringles.
I think it's a bit of a random
Flavor.
Not random flavor. It's a random combination.
Roasted red pepper and garlic.
That's something you could have at a barbecue if you're not having any barbecue, like meat. Sorry, you go for the veggie option. You know, like roasted red peppers.
Yeah.
That sounds calm.
We've got
But
Coca-Cola.
with a Coke, I don't know. I'm down to try it though.
Yeah, it's so weird. Oh my days. I forgot garlic. Ugh.
You're not a garlic fan?
No, I'm thinking how they're gonna smell.
Yeah, garlic breath all day.
I got gum.
No.
If anyone's seen my Pringle video, every single Pringle box smells like cardboard and vinegar. And that exactly smells like cardboard and vinegar. It doesn't even smell like, it doesn't smell like roast pepper and garlic. It smells like cardboard and vinegar.
Oh, it smells banging.
It smells like cardboard and vinegar.
No, it doesn't.
What? No, it smells like vinegar.
Okay, smell it more.
No, I still smell the vinegar. It's like I just smell vinegar.
I
smell garlic
vinegar.
and yeah, but it's like every single packet has
even
vinegar in it.
Even the plain ones.
No, that's the only one.
Salt ones.
Yeah, that's the only one.
You ready for it?
I am, you know. I'm so ready. Now they smell like paprika. I feel like they smell like paprika now. Not bad. Subtle.
Very.
Yeah. Just like a normal crisp.
Paprika though.
Mhm. I'm getting a bit of a pizza vibe.
I was about to say I'm feeling like the vegetables and the pizza, like the dough.
That.
Interesting. The first one was dead, but the second one
Yeah.
was a complete different, complete game changer.
No, I like them.
Tasting a bit of the garlic and that.
Mmm. And vinegar. I'm tasting vinegar. But.
These are good.
Mhm.
They're not wow.
No. They're good.
The second one was a bit wow, but same with the Coke now.
Is it meant to?
They don't have some now.
I don't know what it's meant to do. Is it just meant to go together? Does it enhance it?
It does a little bit now.
I feel like the flavors are more
Poppy.
Yeah. I'm getting a little bit of a flavor here and a different one over there. I don't know.
I'm guessing it's the fizz from the Coke.
Yeah. That's weird. No, how does that even work? How does that work? How does that work?
Have one, and then have like a small sip of Coke.
While you're eating?
Yeah. No, wait, have the Coke now, have the Coke.
Not even crumbled up yet.
Yeah, don't crumble it together.
Crumble it together.
Yeah, with the flavours. With the spices. What's going on?
I'm so confused. How does this work?
How did that happen?
I don't
I'm
know.
So baffled. It's not just me.
No. It's I even got like a really sweet taste.
There was like
There's sweet.
so many different things that happened. You taste the red peppers. It's like having literally this.
Yeah.
You're having red peppers with garlic.
Yeah. That how is this even working?
And then you got crisp at the end.
I don't know how this works.
Do you like it? That, I'm getting this on my way home. With Coke. That bangs. That is good.
I just want to know how. I don't like.
You're getting different flavour. Like I
feel like every time I eat it, it's a different kind of flavour.
A different experience, yeah. And it's not a bad one at all.
No, it's not. I don't understand how it works.
I just think it's the flavour. It's the fizz. It's the fizz. I don't know. It somehow brings the roasted peppers out. It's mad.
Is it like the sensation on your tongue that brings it out more than the...
It's the whole experience. At the beginning.
I'm so confused.
In a good way, in a bad way?
No, in a good way. I mean, they tasted good without it. Like...
I wasn't...
They were like the Kentucky.
They were like, alright, they're okay. They're good.
Yeah.
They're not
But
good.
then with it, it's like... Okay. I just don't know how it works.
It's like it's a whole journey. Of the crisp, then with the Coke, then you get the peppers and the garlic and the barbecue and then you're left with the Coke, and you're left with the crisp.
And like a
Like
potato
a before,
effect.
after and after effect. After effect.
This is so weird.
Great find. Great find. I'm thinking with Coke, how does that work? Yeah. Yes. Finger licking. Good.
It's so weird though.
Weird isn't a good...
Like, no, weird as in like... How does a crisp change flavour?
Well, it's the combination. I think it's a combination.
That's what I'm saying. It's just weird. Like, it's
I guess
it's
'cause
confusing.
You'd have it like with a dip. And I guess like, even what I was saying earlier with the crackers
Yeah.
and cheese, and I guess with a grape, it just complements it so well.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I think just with this, it's just like, somehow, I don't know, whatever they put or done to the crisp, I don't know. But it's like this brings out the barbecue and the garlic sort of, and the juice from peppers.
Yeah.
So the crisp, that just the plain crisp, it doesn't have that by itself. It's a mad combination.
I know. not even, it's experience, a mad experience. Like, can't describe it. Like, you can, but you can't. Like, it's just everything.
So good.
Yeah. I really
So
like
good.
them. It's,
Not by itself though. I don't think that's the.
vinegar pack.
Yeah, there's not much point. I think.
You know what's even more weird?
Something weird.
No, okay, this is... No. They don't get soggy when the Coke's in your mouth.
Yeah.
How do they not get soggy? Like, you know, they're in your mouth, and obviously, you know when you hold a Pringle in your mouth anyway, it just kind of starts slowly dissolving. That doesn't. You put it in your mouth, and it doesn't dissolve. It doesn't get soft. It stays crunchy like a crisp.
They've done something to the crisp. Each one is in like a special roast oven.
Amazing creation they've got right there.
This is summer. As soon as the sun comes out, this Coke in a park picnic, you're set.
Yeah, and the can was quite full. Like they said, what does it say? Nothing half full about the can, and it was up to the top, wasn't it? Like,
Yeah, no, this. Well done. I'm glad I came for this.
it's so weird. Wow, I feel this is the first thing that's left me really like. What do I say about this? You can't describe it. You can't. Like, even though you're saying, oh, I taste this and I taste that. Yeah, but how do you describe what we're experiencing? You can't. You can tell, we can tell you what to do, but we can't tell you how it feels.
Yeah, you just got to do it. Just do it. You know what these are? You can see it. That. You know this already.
Obviously, everyone knows Coca-Cola.
That's it. Oh, another thing you might need, a cup. That's it. You're good. You're good. Enjoy the experience. Good 20 minutes. Bamboozled. That is good.
It just makes you want to just eat more and try it and try it again. Just to see how many different flavors you can get out of it.
And I think it'll be like, before you know it, the thing's done.
It's gone.
Gone.
It's so many flavors. Even though it says 2, it's not 2.
Yeah, it doesn't come.
And there's a sweetness. There's definitely a sweetness to it.
Mhm. Yeah,
but I think that's the roasted pepper.
Yeah.
When they're roasted, so sweet. But that was like literally the back of my mouth on the side, and then on the other side it was like, I don't know. Like there was just so many. I just.
It's finger licking experience. Yeah, don't bother trying it by itself.
As soon as the Coca-Cola touches your mouth, the flavour changes. As soon as it touches, it changes. It's like, sit, and it's different. You don't even have to chew it around, like it's just, and then your instant taste buds have reacted to something completely different. It's true.
Yeah.
You put it in and you get this like barbecuey vinegary taste when you put the crisp in.
Yeah.
And you chew it. And then when you, as soon as the Coke hits your tongue, it's like sweetness. It's like sweet. And then it's peppery. Okay. But then there's something else that's like a almost like caramelized onion. That sweetness and
You know what this reminds me of? Did you watch Ratatouille?
Yes.
You know when the rat's eating and he's like seeing all the colours and
Yeah,
stuff?
yeah, yeah.
That's what this reminds me of.
Yeah.
It's like that experience. You close your eyes and have one of these, you're like, poof.
Yes. Yes. What?
That's what it does.
It's so crazy. I can't believe this.
Good stuff.
I wonder if they're gonna do more, because this doesn't really need more because you got all the flavors.
Yeah, just to learn. Yeah, and it's like all the crisps in almost one.
Yeah. Well, amazing.
Amazing experience.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
One that definitely needs trying.
Mm-hmm.
So,
100%.
Sainsbury's is where I bought them. That is, probably everywhere, but Sainsbury's is where I saw them and I picked them up. So definitely go and try it together.
Mm-hmm. With Coke, don't forget.
Mixing today, lots of mixing. Which is cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video.
Mm-hmm. Comment
down below if you have tried these. Please.
Yes, we need to know.
Yeah. If you had the same mind-boggling experience as us.
Yeah, I want to know.
Yeah. Oh, we're not the only ones, hopefully.
Yeah.
But we can't be.
Yeah, definitely not.
But let us know in the comments below if you have tried them and if you want to see any other videos on this channel.
Yes, let us know.
So, thank you guys for watching again. And we will see you on the next video. Bye.